Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Bharat Milap Char Bai lesson 1. We'll go to the lesson. अयोध्या के महाराज दशरथ बड़े प्रतापी और उदार राजा थे. The king Dashrath in Ramayana, he was a very majestic and generous king. बड़े प्रेम से अपनी प्रजा का पालन करते थे. He used to take care of the people of his kingdom with lot of love and affection. उनके राज्य में प्रजा को किसी प्रकार का कष्ट नहीं था. The people of his kingdom were very happy. They were not facing any difficulty or any hardship in his kingdom. All the people were very happy. न बाहरी शत्रु का भय था, न चोर डाकुओं का. So there was no fear of the enemies coming from other kingdom and disturbing the people here. And there was no fear of thieves in the kingdom. इसलिए सब लोग सुखी थे, सब प्रसन्न थे. So all the people of his kingdom were happy and lot of joy. They were with lot of joy. महाराज दशरथ के 3 रानियां थी. He had 3 wives. The king Dashrath had 3 wives. सबसे बड़ी रानी का नाम कौशल्या. So the first wife name was कौशल्या. सुमित्रा मंजली रानी थी और कैकेयी सबसे छोटी थी. So Sumitra was the second wife and Kaikeyi, she was the younger and the third wife of King Dashrath. वे सबसे छोटी रानी को बहुत प्यार करते थे. The king Dashrath had lot of love for his younger wife Kaikeyi compared to the other 2 wives. महाराज दशरथ के 4 पुत्र थे. King Dashrath had 4 sons. रानी कौशल्या के गर्भ से राम का जन्म हुआ. The wife of Dashrath, first wife Kaushalya, gave birth to the child Ram. रानी कैकेयी ने भरत को जन्म दिया. So Bharat had his mother Kaikeyi. Bharat's mother was Kaikeyi. She was the younger wife of Dashrath. मंजली रानी सुमित्रा के गर्भ से 2 पुत्र उत्पन्न हुए. उनके नाम लक्ष्मण और शत्रुघ्न रखे गए. The middle wife Sumitra of Dashrath, King Dashrath, gave birth to 2 children and their names were Lakshman and Shatrughna. चारों बालक बहुत सुंदर और होनहार थे. All the 4 sons were very beautiful, very handsome and good. राजा उनके देखकर फूले अंग न समाते थे. He was very happy with his family, his son and his wives. He was living with them happily. अयोध्या की प्रजा भी उन चारों भाइयों को देखकर आनंद से फूल उठती थी. So the people of the kingdom Ayodhya, the people of Ayodhya were also very happy to see all the 4 children. They were blossomed with joy, happiness and pleasure by seeing these children. रोज सवेरे और शाम के समय उनको देखने के लिए महल के द्वार पर स्त्री पुरुषों की भीड़ लग जाती थी. To see the children, the people used to come in the morning and in the evening to the palace gate and watch the children with lot of love and affection for them. चारों भाइयों पढ़ने लिखने में भी बहुत तेज थे. All the 4 brothers are the sons of King Dasarath were very good and fast in studies. थोड़े ही समय में उन्होंने सब विद्याएं सीख ली. So in short time all the four learned the studies from their guru. घोड़े की सवारी, to ride on the horse. रथ हाँकना, to drive the chariot or the kingdom cart, the king's cart or the chariot. Rath means chariot. Hakna is to drive it. They used to whip the animal and drive the chariot in those days. That is Rath Hakna. Chariot drive, driver you can say, or to drive the chariot or cart. That is the meaning of Rath Hakna. Next one, Tir Talwar. Tir Talwar they were good at using bow, arrow, sword. Talwar means sword. Tir means bow. Chalana और कुशली लड़ने में भी सब भाई निपुण हो गए. So doing wrestling. Wrestling means it is a fight or sport using grappling type technique they use in that game. They throw each other to the ground and play this wrestling, and all the four sons of Dasrath very very good and talented in that. शील स्वभाव में वे जितने अच्छे थे विद्या और बुद्धि में भी वैसे ही निपुण थे. They were good at physics as well as in mental ability. चारों सद्गुणों के भंडार थे. So all the four were very good. All the four sons were full of good behavior and they deserve to be the son of King Dasarath. Next paragraph. राम सब भाइयों से बड़े थे. So Ram was the first son of King Dasarath and he was the eldest of all the four brothers. देखने में भी वे सबसे अधिक सुंदर थे. So he was very charming and handsome compared to all the four brothers. Ram was very handsome. उनका रंग सांवला था, आंखें बड़ी बड़ी थी. So he was of moderate color. He had the skin color to be moderate. His eyes were very big. मुख खिले हुए कमल के जैसा था. So his face was very bright as the flower will bloom. As the lotus flower blooms, his face was very bright and happy looking. छाती चौड़ी थी और हाथ पैर खूब मजबूत थे. So his chest was very broad and his hands and legs were very strong. वे बहुत सुंदर थे. He was very handsome. Ram was very handsome. उन्हें जो देखता था देखते ही रह जाता था. Whoever seeks Ram, so they felt like they should see him for a long time. He was very charming. He had a broad chest or wide thorax, you can say. He was having moderate color or brown color skin type and his eyes were very very big. Both the eyes were big. His face was blooming like a flower. खिले हुए कमल के जैसे. कमल means lotus. खिले हुए means it's like blossoming with joy, happiness. So Ram was very handsome. The people whoever sees him feel like seeing him again and again, and they used to watch him for a long while. उन्हें जो देखता था देखते ही रह जाता था. Whoever sees Ram, they used to see him and admire him for a while. सब भाइयों में गहरा प्रेम था. All the four brothers were very united and liking each other, and they had a deep love for each other. They were very united. The meaning is all the four brothers were very united. Gehra prem is deep love. They had a deep love for each other. They could understand each other very well. Such were the four brothers and the sons of King Dasarath. सब एक दूसरे को खूब प्यार करते थे. They used to like each other and love each other with affection deeply. तो भी राम को लक्ष्मण अधिक प्रिय थे. Ram used to like Lakshman with lot of affection. He had a special corner for his brother Lakshman. Though he was united with all the four brothers, he had a separate love or that extra feeling for his brother Lakshman. He had a lot of love and affection for brother Lakshman. भरत शत्रुघ्न को अधिक चाहते थे. The brother Lakshman, the brother Bharat used to like Shatrughna much compared to the other brothers. The son of Dasarath, Bharat, used to like Shatrughna than his other brothers. But all the four were very united and they loved each other. सब भाई एक साथ रहते थे, एक साथ खेलते थे और एक साथ विद्या सीखते थे. All the four were very united. They used to live together, play together, learn the education or the studies together. सीखना is to study or to learn. सब लोग उनके गुणों की प्रशंसा करते थे और उनको आशीर्वाद देते थे कि चार कुमार जुग जुग जिए. So all the people of the kingdom and Ayodhya used to like the behavior of all the four sons, and they used to appreciate all the four sons that they are very good, and they used to give them blessings that all the four should live happily for a long time. So this was the lesson Char Bhai of this Bharat Milap. We have to understand the meaning of each words, try to practice them, and write and practice will make us to understand better and study better. Thank you.